Hello friends, welcome you back once again in Study Battle. So as you would have seen that few days ago or few weeks ago, UPSC has declared the combined geoscientist mains examination. Okay, so today we will discuss that what is the cutoff of 2020 exam and what can be the cutoff of 2021 exam whose personalities test they have to held. Okay, so this is the video regarding the cutoff marks of 2020 and we will discuss it, the preliminary stage as well as the mains stage, both the stage marks we will discuss. Okay, so this is the firstly we will talk about the vacancies. You know that is there were 70 vacancies as per the required 79 vacancies were there. Again, what was the cutoff with respect to the different categories that we will discuss today. So as you can see, the cutoff has been divided into 4 parts: general, OBC, EWS, OBC, SC and ST. Okay, so 79 vacancies were there, you all will be knowing, and 154 was the general cutoff for the preliminary stage exam. Okay, so this is the stage 1 and stage 2, that is stage 2 that is mains, and stage 1 that is the preliminary out of 400 marks. Okay, so 300 marks paper was of geology or whatever field is geology, geophysics or geochemistry, and 100 marks question paper was related to the general studies. Okay, so 154 out of 400, that was the cutoff mark for preliminary examination for the general candidate, and 413 was for the mains. Okay, out of 800 should be there. Okay, so there are 4 papers. If you are aware with, if you understand the concept that what is the structure of the question paper, you will be knowing that there are 4 papers: paper number 1, paper number 2, paper number 3 and hydrogeology for the geologist post. Okay, so 413 was the mains cutoff, and total cutoff out of 800, sorry, out of 1200, so that was 574. So 574, that was the general cutoff. For the EWS candidates, 154 for the prelims and 366 for the mains, and for the final cutoff was 535. Okay, 154, that was again OBC cutoff for the prelims. So for the prelims exam, 154 was the cutoff for the EWS candidates, general candidates as well as OBC candidates. And for the OBC candidates, the mains cutoff was 384. So you can see the EWS candidates, they have the 366 cutoff, and for the OBC candidates it's 384. Okay, so there is huge difference you can see. Okay, and 552 was the final cutoff for the OBC candidate. 95, and same as you can see for the SC, 95 prelims, 316 mains and 456 for final cutoff. And ST, 94 for prelims, 275 for mains and 411 for the final cutoff. Okay, so this was the final cutoff for the all the candidates. And candidates belonging to the person with benchmark disability, that you can also see the cutoff marks here. Okay, and here one disclaimer was there, as you can see in the star, where star is marked, you can see subject to minimum of 10% marks. Okay, it's very thin written here, I can write down here 10% marks, minimum of 10% marks. Okay, for the each of the 2 papers as stage 1. For the stage 1 papers, minimum of 10% marks are compulsory for the non-PWD candidates, and minimum of 5% marks each in each of the 2 papers at the stage 1 for the PW candidates. Okay, and subject to minimum of 20% marks. In the mains, 20% marks each of the 3 conventional papers at stage 2nd for non-PWD candidates, and minimum of 10% marks for the PW candidates. Okay, so 10% for the mains prelims and 20% for the mains. That was the cutoff. You can see you will have to score at least 10% and 20% in prelims and mains respectively. Okay, so this was the compulsion. You must understand that 10% marks should be there in both the GS paper as well as in the geology or hydrogeology paper, or whatever your branch for the geochemistry or the geophysics, you can see. Okay, so this is the disclaimer here. For the junior hydrogeologist, there were 2 posts of junior hydrogeologist and they have been filled. Recommended for the, okay, 2 vacancies were there and they were for the recommendation of candidates, non PW candidates, including 1 OBC and 1, so 154 for prelims, that same, and 456 for the mains. So 622 was the final cutoff for the hydrogeology paper. Okay, so there were 2 posts only and this was not for the, they were general posts. Okay, so 456, that was high cutoff, that was a high cutoff if you see the difference between the geology and hydrogeology. Okay, so 413 and 456. Okay, again here 10% marks and 20% marks for the prelims and mains respectively. And for the geophysics, you can see for geophysics candidates, general cutoff for the prelims was 160 and for the mains that was 398. Okay, OBC you can see 160, same. For the SC 124, ST 81, 383 for the mains, 325 for the mains of SC candidates and 383 for the OBC candidates, and total was 553 for general, 497 for the OBC candidates and 469 accordingly for the SC candidates. And remaining you can see from the list. I will share the link of this PDF in the description of this video. From there you can download it, or you can also get it from the UPSC website. Okay, UPSC has released the official cutoff or onto its official website. You can check. And for the geochemist, okay, there were 15 vacancies, total 15 vacancies. Out of 15, 7 generals were there and 238 for the prelims. And this, when I am talking about prelims, so in prelims the conventional paper means if you have opted whether you are from geology, hydrogeology, geophysics or geochemistry, so one paper of 300 for your subject and 100 marks question paper for the GS. Okay, so 300, 238, that includes the conventional, your subject as well as your as well as the general studies in the prelims. Okay, so 238 and 557 in the mains, and overall 722. Okay, for the EWS we can see, for the EWS the general cutoff, the written cutoff for the stage 1, that is prelims 238, for OBC 221. Okay, 539 for the mains and 507 for the mains of OBC candidates, and 702 for the EWS final cutoff, 655 you can see for the here OBC. So final cutoff for OBC was 655 and for general candidate that was 722. You can see here from the, and again 10% and 20% marks in the stage 1, that is prelims, as well as in the mains respectively, that is again here added. You can see. Okay, you can see here 10%, okay, and 20%, 10% in prelims and 20% in mains. You can see P and M. Okay, so this was the discussion, and there were type principle also. Whenever the 2 or more candidates have secured equal aggregate marks in combined geoscientist mains examination 2020, if the final total is equal, then the candidates getting more marks in the geology, geophysics, chemistry, hydrogeology paper plus PT means personality test total will be ranked higher. Okay, the candidates who has got the more marks in geology, geophysics or geochemistry or hydrogeology. If the total marks of geology, geophysics, chemistry and hydrogeology papers plus PT also same, the senior in age will be given the preference. Okay, so geology papers, these are very important. If the marks of two candidates are equal, okay, and if the marks of two candidates are equal in geology also, then the one which is senior, that will be given the preference. Okay, so this is the type principle. Prior to 2020 examination, UPSC doesn't used to release these types of type principle concept, but since now there is 3 stages, this is prelims, mains, then PT, so there are chances that there may be coincidences that where the marks of 2 or more than 2 candidates can be the same. So that's why the type principle they have declared it, that how they will score, they will decide the marking whenever there is a tie in between 2 or 3 candidates. Okay, so this was our discussion about the cutoff marks. So on the basis of the 2020 examination and depending upon the cutoff marks, the 2021 cutoff can be in between this range. Okay, it should not go less than that, it should go in the range of, for the general candidate if we talk about, so 154 was for the 2020, so I think 154, more than that 160 or 165, 160 around we can discuss. Okay, depending upon the pattern of the question paper, the level of the question paper. Okay, 574, it should be in the range of 560, 570, 570, in the range of that. Okay, so this was our discussion. Okay, so about the cutoff marks of geologist exam 2020, and when the 2021 personality test will occur, after that the final result will be declared, then we will see what would be the cutoff for the 2021 examination. Okay, thank you.